Happy birthday, Bob Marley. Today would have been the 81st birthday of one of the great musical icons of the 20th century. It also happens to be the birthday of another fine musician who I adore. In this video, we're going to be learning and playing along with jamming. This is an easy to play tune with just 5 chords. It has a great groove, a great vibe, a great message. And after we review the chords and some rhythm tricks, we are going to play through the entire tune along with the recording. If you love Bob Marley and reggae music, please check out this playlist of videos I've made for lots of other Marley tunes. And please click the links down below to get a printable PDF for this lesson. Oh, and by the way, please sign my mailing list to keep in the loop of in-person events, including my Ukulele Zen retreats. Let's learn the chords. About 90% of this song is a 4-chord, 4-bar vamp. Goes like this. I'll break it down in just a sec. Is a B minor 7, laying the first finger across the 2nd fret. Take a moment to strum it, and then shut the sound off by relaxing your hand completely. The next chord is an E7. Now, a nice fretting trick is to pivot. I slide down. Can you pay attention to your first finger as you change these chords? You slide and you pivot. Feel how the index finger just angles itself, pivots you to the next chord. After that, we move to a G major chord. And here, another fretting trick is to pay attention to the ring finger. It's going to slide down along that string, and voila, you're at the F sharp minor. The fretting principle here is the guide finger, the ring finger staying on the 2nd string, making that change just a little smoother, a lot easier to play. You can strum this song any way you like. One thing I like to do is to mix up chops with ring sounds. So the first half, chops, and then ringing sounds. Here's how I do that. First, I relax the finger entirely, which has great benefits, just making your hands super relaxed. What you're going to do is on beats 2 and 4, you're going to squeeze the chord down. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then move to E7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and so you just have to muffle the strings except on beats 2 and 4. Let's run this together. 1 and 2, and here we go. And do it again. B minor 7. Let's just do this 2 more times. Come on now. Breathe. Get your shoulders moving. Those are reggae chops. I recommend you stand up, feel the groove when we play along with the recording in 1 minute. Now, the other 2 chords, we're just going to play them out. Down, down, up, down, down. Island vibe strum that we all love to play. That's most of the song. On the verses, it's a little different. They bounce back and forth, 2 beats each, and then down, 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 down. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once we start playing along, you're going to see the music is going to take you. Last part in the bridge, there's a movement from B minor to E minor. Does it again. Holy Mount Zion, then breaks. And then another break. Are you ready to jam the whole tune? I love Bob Marley and the Wailers, one of my favorite artists of all time. I hope that you enjoy jamming along with us. If you're enjoying this video so far, please reach out, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to this channel, and please sign my mailing list at the link down below. You'll get a little gift when you sign up, and you'll be kept in the loop of new videos and in-person events at festivals and my own signature ukulele Zen retreats, where we explore mindfulness practice and music to deepen your relationship to sound and musical practice. And now let's play the whole song. Happy birthday, Bob Marley. Much more than gold. We're jamming, 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 and we're jamming in the name of the Lord. We're jamming, 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 jamming. We're jamming right straight from your holy Mount Zion.